How to hide notification on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can hide notifications on your iPhone. But before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So if you want to hide your notification, all you have to do is head over to the settings app, scroll down, and there you should find a notifications settings. Head over there, and there you can see different options. So from here, all you have to do is you can select the app that you want to hide the notification of. So let's say that I want to hide notification from Canva. If I just tap on it, I'll just have to do is disable this allow notification button. Simply toggle that off. You can do that for other apps as well, such as chats, and if you want to turn it on again, simply toggle on the button. And that's how simple it is. That's how you can hide notifications on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.